The Fox 54 Tower Cam Network, brought to you by Brighter Side Roofing.
Things right off over our Fox 54 studio Tower Cam network, and we're starting to see an increase of cloud coverage for this evening, and that's going to result in some heavier rain showers and potential for some thunderstorms tomorrow. Currently seeing dry conditions on the roads, and the more east or the more west you go, so that's closer towards Atlanta, that's where you're going to start to see the heavy rains and even isolated thunderstorms. Currently 75 degrees over towards Washington Wilkes County Airport. It's hot and it's humid, and we're going to continue to see that with a warming trend as we head into the next 7 days. Lots of activity off towards our west. That's going to be anywhere from Atlanta down to Macon. Milledgeville seeing some thunderstorms currently, and we're just monitoring mostly cloudy skies this evening. Looks like a stray shower towards Barnwell and Allendale, and even one closer towards Edgefield. So if you saw that activity today, maybe a light shower or even a heavier shower, I saw one on my way to work this morning. Just be on lookout for that for the next couple of days, because that's really what we're monitoring, some unsettled weather across the CSRA. Anywhere in the dark red is going to be those thunderstorms, and then the yellow is going to be some heavier rain, and that's all due towards the stationary front off down towards the south and then off towards the west. So we're going to continue to see the cooler air currently. That's keeping our temperatures into the upper 80s, when on average we're about into the 90s this time of year. 72 tonight is our low, and we're going to see stray showers, definitely a possibility, especially for those western counties. That's going to still sit at about a 30% chance of precipitation in about the next 2 hours. Now, water vapor is moving in from a southwest flow. That's down from the Gulf. That's providing all of that fuel for the rain that we're going to be seeing for tomorrow. So that's high of 87 degrees, a little bit on the cooler side, but an 80% chance of thunderstorms and heavier showers. Southwest winds about 1 to 5 miles per hour. So because these storms are moving so slow, that could bring us for the potential for even some possible flooding. And that's going to be mainly towards Aiken, Barnwell, and even closer towards Richmond County. So here's about till 7 a.m. You can see some stray showers, maybe a potential for an isolated storm. We're really not seeing the heating right now for that isolated storm, but 1 p.m. tomorrow is really when it really starts to pick up for our eastern counties. You start to see it popping up all over the place, and then it becomes much more widespread. This is where we see the 80% chance of precipitation and storms for tomorrow. Definitely some stronger storms down towards the south around 10 p.m. So keep in mind, just stay weather aware for tomorrow. And you know, turn around, don't drown. If you see a lot of accumulation on the roads of precipitation, you definitely want to turn around and find an alternate route. So the next 48 hours, this is really what we're looking at for rainfall. The heavier areas, this is until Monday 9 p.m. So 2 inches in one day could definitely be potential for maybe a flash flood, or even just that precipitation accumulating on the roads. 0.35 in the metro area and 1.77 for Barnwell. Just picks up from there into Tuesday, when we have thunderstorms and even those rain showers just continuing for Tuesday and even into Wednesday morning. 2.33 in Aiken for Tuesday 9 p.m. and 1.83 for Barnwell. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. It's getting much hotter. We're going to be seeing temperatures into the 90s by the next couple of days. So by the end of this week, 97 degrees for Friday, heat index of 107. It's going to feel hot and sunny. Now, if you don't like the rain, those are going to be your best days. It's Thursday and Friday. Saturday going to be pleasant as well, but Monday and Tuesday kicking off the week with 87 degrees and stormy.